Welcome to another one of my little videos. This time we're diving into the colourful world of appliqué. Start by sketching your design. Keep it clear and bold. Remember, each colour becomes its own separate piece of fabric. So for my cupcake, the frosting will be pink and the base will be a cheerful stripe. Next, create paper templates for each section. Place the templates onto your chosen fabric. Make sure you use your fabric efficiently. Pin the templates in place securely by weaving the pin in and out, just like a stitch. This will stop them slipping. Now, carefully cut around each template using fabric scissors. Always use the full length of the blade for a neat finish. Keep it as close to the line as possible. Discard any tiny scraps, but save larger pieces for future projects. With your shapes ready, arrange them onto your base fabric. Play with placement until it feels just right. Then pin them down, layering neatly as you go. Now it's time to stitch. Choose a stitch that suits your style. I'm using a whip stitch around the cupcake base for a lovely defined edge. And a back stitch for the frosting to give it strength and detail. When you're done, secure your thread neatly on the back with a small looped knot. Finally, add those finishing touches. A few beads perhaps, for a sprinkle of sparkle. And just like that, a simple idea is transformed into a bold, beautiful appliqué.